Hey colorful people, welcome back to another old time video. Today we'll be making Jamaican chocolate tea, the one with the oil on the top. So first set our water on the fire, and then we're gonna grate our chocolate. And this chocolate is baked from the cocoa plant. It is baked from the cocoa plant. So you need to get it in powdered form. So we're gonna grate our chocolate bar. And this is what a grater looks like for those who do not know, who do not grow in the country. This is how it looks in powdered form, and we're gonna put it in the pot to cook. So we're gonna let our chocolate powder cook in the water for about half hour, 1 hour. Then let it boil. And our chocolate is boiling. It smells so good. It smells so old. It smells so country. So after our chocolate is cooked, fully cooked, we're gonna add some milk, some powdered milk, or any milk you have, you can add it. If you have some real cow's milk, that will be good. Fresh from the cow, I mean, not the box one. The fresh from the cow milk. So while it is still boiling, we add our powdered milk. Smells so good. And if you grow up in the country, you have to have this tea. You have to have had this tea. You're gonna sweeten to taste. The first time when you're younger, you get the tea here. My, you can't drink it. Sometimes it look like it cool because you have the oil on the top and the top cool, but the tea underneath hot. Comment below if this used to burn your tongue, if this used to burn your mouth. If you ever had this tea and it burned you before. Add a little salt to the mixture, to the tea, salt and everything. And then we're gonna stir. Good old chocolate tea. After stirring, we're going to strain it because you have the early, what do you call that, residue, the extra grainy thingy we don't want in the tea. So to get a good strain, we're using a thin cloth plus the strainer. Welcome to country life, people. Welcome back to your childhood. If you used to grow up like this, welcome back to your childhood. Oops. And just like that, we have our tea, our chocolate tea with the oil on top. Can you see the oil? Hope you can. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video.